Imagine asking ChatGPT, "How are sales right now?" and getting the actual live number from your business instead of a generic answer. We are going to show you how to install the Databox MCP so your GPT stops guessing and starts tracking your real-time KPIs. To get started, click on your profile menu to access account settings and preferences. Start by clicking Settings to access your account preferences and configuration options. Next, click the Apps tab to access available integrations and third-party applications. Now click Advanced Settings to access additional configuration options and customizations. Toggle Developer Mode to enable unverified connectors, as MCP support is currently a beta feature in ChatGPT. Now click the Create App button to connect Databox MCP. Following this, enter Databox MCP inside the name field. Next up, enter the MCP server URL in the text field to configure the connection. Enter https://mcp-databox.com MCP. Check the box to acknowledge ChatGPT's security warning and confirm your understanding before proceeding. Finally, click the Create button to finalize and save your new app configuration. A new window will appear prompting you to log into Databox or create a new account. Once signed in, click Allow to grant the necessary access permissions. Seeing this screen confirms that you have successfully integrated Databox with ChatGPT. Now click the message input field to enter your prompt and interact with ChatGPT. Once you instruct ChatGPT to use the Databox MCP tool, it will execute your prompt and retrieve the necessary data.